Why can't your accountant do your tax depreciation schedule? Hi everyone, Tuan from Dewey Tax here with another video designed to help you become a better property investor. Today's topic is a common question we get all the time. Why can't your accountant do your tax depreciation schedule? Or why do I need a quantity surveyor to do something my accountant can do? And the answer to that is that an accountant can only prepare this if the cost of your assets are actually known. For example, if you purchase an oven or a range hood from a retailer, your accountant can prepare a schedule to show the depreciable value each year because they would know the value of the asset. Let's say, for example, it costs $1,000 and can be depreciated for 7 years. Your accountant can work out how much you can claim nice and easily. But what if the value is unknown? Let's say you bought a second-hand property and assets like your carpet, air conditioning, and the building itself came with no value. How would you know what the value is? And that's where a quantity surveyor gets involved. As quantity surveyors ourselves, we're what you call building economists and have the expertise to estimate the cost of materials and labor in construction. This is so critical that it's gotten to the point where the ATO has recognized quantity surveyors to be the only suitably qualified professionals to assess depreciation in residential and commercial properties. They do this through what's called a taxation ruling, which is updated each year. Where you get a lot of value out of a quantity surveyor is when the property you purchase may have been through multiple renovations and changes that can potentially unlock other opportunities for tax depreciation claims. And having someone who has the expertise to know the cost of materials, labor, and the ability to identify things that normally wouldn't be noticed can be the difference between a small return on your tax deduction and a major one. Once we've identified and recorded all these assets, we put this into a tax depreciation schedule and have this sent off to your accountant, who will take care of the rest when lodging your tax return each financial year. So hopefully that's given you a lot of clarity on why your accountant may not be able to help you obtain the value of assets for your depreciation schedule within your investment property. But know that we work closely with your accountant because our goal is to ensure you can claim as much on tax deductions as possible. Hopefully that's given you a better understanding of why it's important to have a quantity surveyor like us at Duo Tax to be involved in the process. Finally, if you have friends, colleagues, or family members who would benefit from this video, be sure to share this with them. I'm Tuan Duong. I hope to see you next time.